Hey there mga my loves, Ares! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So bago natin simula ng inyong October 2023 readings mga babes, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So just pick up the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na tayo para sa iyo, then this reading might be ready for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender dito, balak LGBT plus what you're sure welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. So, without further ado, let's begin and let's see what we have here for you. Aries. So, this is for October 2020. Listen, angel guides, Archangel Michael, can you please show me what do we have here for my Aries, please? What do we have here for Aries, please? For the month of October 2023. This is for Aries. I'm seeing someone here begging na wag matapos itong bagay na ito. So, someone here is asking na wag sanang mawala itong bagay na to or pwedeng tao na to sa inyo. This could be or this could be someone here in your energy praying really hard to God na wag mawala itong connection na to with you or wag mawala lang literally itong tao na to because I can see as well someone here who could be bedridden or someone here very specific that is praying and hoping for a recovery of a loved one. So yeah, okay, but I can see that you're finding peace here. See, calm in here. Whatever it is, storm na hinaharap mo rito, if that is you, honey, I can see bliss right here. I can see that you're gonna breathe here. Okay, like this is you, na matatapos na yan. Yung pag-iyak mo, may healing dito, may recovery dito. Let's look forward to that. Okay? Aries. Okay. So, Aries, we have here the protest. Profession. And there's this loneliness. Yeah. Someone here might be having a hard time facing some kind of a relationship. May problema kayo, may pag-aaway dito, may pagtatalo dito yung nakikita ko rito. Meron ditong pag-iisa, may hindi nag-uusap no, at pwedeng may magtapos or baka iniisip ng isa rito na maaari magtapos itong connection ninyo, itong love relationship ninyo with someone here. Natatakot kayo dito na mangyari yun kasi maaari kasi mga babes no na nakikita nyo na tong person na to in your future or itong tao na to connecting with you, nakikita na kayo sa kanilang future right here, no? Natatakot ito na baka masira lahat ng mga plano or maybe this is you, no? So, I can see right here, commitment right here na inilalaban dito with the promise right here. So, yeah. So, I can see, kagaya nga ng sinabi ko sa inyo, mga babes, na there's calmness in here. So, do not be worried about this. This is just a storm right here. This is just a storm. You might be arguing about something here. It might be because we saw 3 people, diba? With the compromise. Maaari kasi mga babes, no, na meron dito naninira, no, or may challenge dito sa pagitan ninyong dalawa, no, could be a third party issue, okay, and I'm seeing na maayos ito. Yung iba hindi naman totoo kasi I can see calmness here. I can see that after this struggling, no, makakahinga na kayo rito ng maayos at maluwag. So, maaring on the month of October, no, baka magkatampuhan kayo, magkaroon ng argumento ng someone you love or for others, someone significant to you, someone tinatangi ninyo sa inyong heart, no, I can see that it will end. Yeah, I can see some kind of a stop in there. So, yeah. Okay, so there is some kind of a parang malungkot, no, na daan lang naman, no, na emosyon, no, on the month of October. So, nakita ko rito, hindi pa naman nagtatapos ang chapter ninyong dalawa kung sino man yung tao na yan. At kung sino man yung person na yan, mga babes, I can see right here na, kasi, nakukuha ko rito, no, na pwede kasi may gusto lang sumira sa inyo, or pwede lang kasi mga babes na may sulsol, I don't know, but I'm getting that as well, no, like Aries, there's someone here na pwedeng katrabaho niya, or what, no, na pwedeng inis sa kanya, no, or pwedeng sa'yo inis, no, at gustong sirain dito yung magandang samahan ninyo ng person ninyo. Okay, pero ang kinaganda niyan, always look at the bright side, no, kasi dito masusubok mga babes, no, kung gaano katibay ang relationship ninyo ng tao na yan. So, I can see, no, na pwede kasing ito yung tamang timing para dun sa person na yun na gusto ritong manira lang, no, ng relationship, kasi pwedeng inggit siya dahil nakikita ko kasi dito na parang papunta na kayo dun sa marriage, papunta na kayo sa next level na relationship ninyo, papunta na kayo dun sa pagkakaroon ng label para sa iba. So, ibig sabihin na maganda yung relationship at meron ditong bitter-bitiran, no, na pwedeng coworker, no, na ngayon kasi medyo busy yung person mo, pwedeng wala masyadong time dito, hindi kayo masyadong makapaggala or makapag-date dito, no, kasi medyo vicious sa work, pwedeng literal na chef siya, or magaling lang siya magluto, or either ikaw yun. So, whatever it is, I'm seeing na busy lang siya sa work. Pero dahil nga, no, meron ditong inggit sa kanya, no, nakikita ko rito na ito yung klase ng individual na naninira lang. Yeah. So, and also nakikita ko kasi dito, pwedeng hindi mo rin kasi alam, no, pwedeng surprise kasi ito, no, ginagalingan ng person mo sa work. Okay? Kasi gusto niya dito na umangat yung kanyang salary or yung position niya rito, no? Pero this person is looking forward to that kasi ikaw rin yung naiisip niya, yung future ninyong dalawa. Tsaka baka nag-prepare na rin siya rito for marriage, no? See? Kaya nilalaban niya rito, no, yung, ito corporate yung suot niya, no? Nilalaban niya rito yung trabaho niya, yung work niya rito, mga babes, no? So, yeah. This person is doing all the work right here. Busy lang talaga siya sa work. Kasi maaari kasi, no, na nagpaplano niya siya rito na i-take ang inyong relationship to the next level. See? So, yeah, everything will be balanced. Look at number 33. 3 is the powerful balance. Okay? Powerful number of balance here. So, yeah, I can see recognition for your person here, or maybe this is you, marirecognize ka dito sa trabahong ginagawa mo, no? And I can see kung ano man to argument na to, pag-aaway, pagtatalo, no? Nakikita natin yung dito. Para sa iba, pwedeng may nirereklamo kayo, no, sa kumpanya pinagtatrabahuhan ninyo, no? Or meron dito nagrereklamo around you, no? Pwedeng nakikinig ka lang, yung nakikita ko rito na parang, alam ba, just sa trabaho namin, naku, ganito, lahat ng reklamo niya sa trabaho niya. Yan. So, either ikaw yun, or meron ka ritong friend or family member, no, na nagre-reklamo rito sa kanyang work. Yan. No? So, nakikita ko rito na ikaw yung papagitna rito na kung ano, ganyan kasi, iparating mo na lang dun sa management para matapos na yan at mawala na rin yung stress mo yan, no? Parang ikaw to na nagbibigay ng advice, no? Para pakalmahin siya rito, yun yung nakikita ko rito, no? At, okay mga babes, no? Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko nakukuha to strongly, pero sasabihin ko na rin, no? Mukhang merong isang magandang balita, no? Pagtapos ninyo rito makaramdam ng lungkot at makaramdam rito, no, ng parang you are at the verge of something, okay, on the month of October. It's a very big news na niluluto for you guys. So, kung ano man yan, pwede may kinalaman yan sa trabaho mo, sa profession mo, sa money mo, or sa business mo. So, yeah, yun na lang yung i-look forward mo dito, no? So, kung ano man yung magtatapos na, hindi yan magtatapos, no? And to those na kanina, very specific, no, na nagpe-pray dito really hard for the recovery of a loved one, makaka-recover siya, mahal. Okay? Daan lang yon. Okay? Walang susuko dito. Itaas ang pananampalataya, no? At magdasal rito sa Panginoon. Maririnig niya kayo rito. Yeah, there's light over this sorrow. Okay? So, let's keep moving. Tell me more for my Aries, please. For the month of October. Tell me more for Aries. For the month of October, please. Oh, wish fulfillment. I saw that. So, maaari meron kayo ditong katuparan na matutupad. At maaaring ito ay reason to celebrate something. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, meron kayo i-celebrate talaga rito. Pwedeng promotion yan, pag-angat ng salary ninyo, no, or pagkalampas ninyo sa quota. See? Dahil dyan, magkakaroon ka ulit dito ng confidence na i-vision ang iyong future. Yan, no? Kasi pwedeng nawala ka nga dito, di ba, sa alignment dahil na may mga nangyari rito, no? Or may mga mangyayari rito na sinubok rito, yung focus mo. Doon ka kasi mas nag-focus, no? Nakalimutan mo na yung sarili mo rito. Yan, and you're now back on track. You're now manifesting right here, starting to make a change. Yan, no? Parang ikaw to na, okay, tapos na rito, mga pagsubok, ako naman. Yan. Aris na aris, no? Kasi lakas ng loob ninyo. Okay? So, let's see, ano pa. Oh, see, new beginning. Ang bigat nun, no? Ang bigat ng new beginning na yan, mga babes. Okay? I can see that this is you. Tapos na ang mga oras rito, no? Ng heartbreak, heart pain right here. This is you, no? To the point na may, alam mo yung eto, yung nakuha ko rito, hindi negative. Has something to do with, alam mo yung kirot, na parang kirot sa puso, na parang, naiiyak ka kasi sobrang saya mo. Ganun. No? To the point, mga babes, no, that someone here will offer you something big, something solid right here. A commitment here. Plus, sumasabay pa rito na nagbabago yung buhay mo dahil dun sa sinasabi ko sa inyo. Diba, na may good news kayong paparating, no? And it's something big, no? Maaring dagdag pa nga ito dun sa good news na ito, no? Diba, sabi ko sa inyo, your person is preparing for some kind of settlement here. Yun nakikita ko dito. So, whoever this individual is, this person wants to buy a lot at magpatayo kayo ng sarili ninyong tahanan, hindi bahay, kundi tahanan, mga mahal, no? At may iyak ka rito sa offer na to. I can see someone here in teary eyes right here because this person wants to be right beside you forever. Yeah, this person is literally in love with you. This person wants to give you everything and wants to start anew. Yan, no? Gusto niya magsimula rito sa buhay niya ng kasama ka daw. Yan. See, taray, nilalaban niya talaga to. Yung relationship na to, no? At saka deserve nyo to kasi nakuha ko dito na parang kayo to na kakapagod, no? Na kayo lang yung lumalaban in the past sa relationship ninyo, no? With your past exes, no, na puro mga coward, no, mga duwag, di marunong lumaban sa relationship, na puro ikaw ng ikaw. So, yan mga babes, no, deserve mo na ikaw naman yung ilalaban. See? Another ace right here, ace of wands energy, something to look forward to in love, and there's passion, there's lots of, force in here na ma-excite na mabuhay. Yung nakikita ko for you, Aries. So beautiful. Yeah, Aries energy. This is you. Okay? Bumalik ka na sa dati mo ritong trono. This is you, no? You are now taking control here of your life. And for others, no? Parehas na may leadership kayong katangian ng taong yan, ng person mo na yan, or sa iba pa parating pa lang ito. No, this is the same as your energy. This is someone here who has that leadership in them as well. This is the type of energy na mature. Pwedeng magkaedad lang kayo nito, or pwedeng mas older siya sa rito, but doesn't have to be. But I'm seeing a mature in his or her way of thinking. I'm also seeing someone here na may posisyon sa trabaho at hindi tamad. Sa itong individual, mga babes, no, na meron siya ritong ginagawa na establishment. Okay? Maybe yun na nga yung bahay na yun, no? This person wants to build this home with you. This person is preparing for this marriage, for this new life with you. This person is seeing you as his or her divine counterpart here because you're both Aries. The Emperor is an Aries energy. Okay? Hindi ibig sabihin na Aries din lang siya, no? So, it could be any zodiac sign right here. Binanggit ko yon kasi meron kayo ritong parehas na katangian, na parehas kayo rito, no, na leader sa sarili ninyong life, especially when it comes to finances right here. Isa itong tao na merong pagpupursige at pagtsatsaga. Yes. So, yun kita ko rito, no? And this person is may kakayahang ibigay sa'yo ang lahat. Kahit na kaya mo yun i-provide sa sarili mo. Yeah, see? You could probably meet this person right here online, or maybe if this person is already in your life, I can see right here that this person is not telling you, yan, no, with the clouds in here, no? This person is not yet revealing sa inyo na meron na siya rito sinesearch online, naghahanap na siya rito pala ng wedding planner, yung mga ganyan, or organizer. Has something to do with buying a new home, settling down. Has something to do, nakita ko yung parang how to yung parang sa pag-aalaga ng baby. See, this person really wants to build a family with you. Yeah, I can see that this person right here, ayan no, this person right here, mga babes, is not close off right now, no? Hindi na siya close off kasi nakikinig siya sa intuition niya, no? And this person is now moving forward towards you. And I'm seeing that this person right here, Aries, is someone here, no? Para sa iba, kung single kayo, makikilala nyo pa lang siya, mga babes. Okay? This is worth of your time here. You could meet this person here in your work, or you could meet this person here while you are out for business trip. Yeah, that's what I'm picking up. So whoever these energies are, I'm seeing that there's this passion, a lot of attraction, okay, coming from this person here. At ang maganda, ilalaban ka nito. Yeah. If this is your person now, okay, kaya pala hindi niya sinusukuan tong relationship ninyo kasi matured enough siya mag-isip. Pero syempre, okay, normal naman talaga yung pag-aaway at pagtatalo sa isang relationship na, pero don't worry kasi hindi kayo maghihiwalay niyan if this is already your person here. If this person is coming in into your life pa lang, I can see this person here is viewing you as someone who is just like him or her. So this person will no longer let go of someone like you. Kasi minsan lang siya makahanap daw ng isang katulad mo. Yes, no, minsan ka lang makahanap dito ng kamachi-machi mo. So bakit mo pa i-let go? So let's ask the angels and spirit guides right here, advice for you, Aries. Aries, for the month of October, please. Aries. Advice for Aries for the month of October. This is for Aries. I can see marriage all the way to forever right here. Yeah, this person also believes in forever, that time na makilala ka niya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin sa'yo siya nagkaroon rito, no, ng paniniwala sa forever after kanyang makilala. Yeah. So, let's see advice from the universe right here for you, Aries. So, we have here the situation will improve. See? This is what we're talking about. Okay? If you are having that kind of parang natatakot kayo, no, na mawala yung someone here na nagsasuffer ng health related issues, the situation will improve, honey. There's calmness in here, there's recovery. That's what I'm picking up, so you do not need to worry. Okay, if this is something here naman, no, na parang feeling mo mag-end na yung connection or trabaho or whatever, no, or yung relationship mo with someone here, the situation will improve. See, isa lamang itong second indication, no, na talagang the situation will improve. And at the bottom of the deck, ask for help from others. Yeah, so this just only means that you have your genuine people around you. So maybe these are your friends, your family members right here, at maaring sila yung maging daan para makilala mo to if hindi po siya nakikilala. Or maybe ask for help from others right here kasi they're gonna give you some kind of enlightenment. Look at this, these are the angels right here. So maaring itong mga anghel na to, no, ay gamitin itong mga malalapit na tao sa buhay mo, no, para dun sila, no, parang magkatawang lupa, no, para maiparating nila sa'yo rito, na nakasuporta sila sa tabi mo rito, no, na hindi ka dapat mag-alala, parang okay lang yan, parang gagamitin yung mga friends mo, no, itong mga angels and spirit guides, na okay lang yan, wag ka masyado mag-alala, matatapos din yung problema mo na yan, gagaling rin yung loved ones mo na yan, or matatapos rin tong pinagdadaanan ninyong dalawa dito sa love and relationship mo with this person. Kaya mo yan. Yan. Daan lang yan. Yan, no? It's like, these people will cheer you up about this thing right here and see the situation will definitely improve. Kanina ko pa yun sinasabi. So, I can see that there's something here, no? Nalaban lang, fight lang mga babes, no? It's your fate that will take this situation, okay? To progress, no? To positive progress here. So, thank you so much, Aries. Love and light. Annyeong.